Candy bar today, Tuesday, 7 May 2024. I'm Tanis Coralee Leonhardi, she, her, hers of Seattle. It's my YouTube channel, Tanis Leonhardi, and this is a white chocolate KitKat candy bar. I'd been to Bartell Drugs a couple times, and I noticed they had a spot in the candy bar section for a white chocolate KitKat bar, and I was like, no, but they were sold out each of the times, and so I was like, dang it. And then I went to Walgreens on Aurora Avenue North by Shorewood High School. I'm filming this in the northern suburbs of Seattle, Washington State, United States of America, planet Earth, the original, currently called the city of Shoreline, but still technically part of Seattle on some stuff. And yeah, was when we moved here. With my parents and older sister. And so I found this at Walgreens. It was $1.99. And so it's time to delve in. And I realized in my video before this where I did notes on my perspective on the state of biography and autobiography as of today, Tuesday, 7 May 2024. I was going to say why I was sitting here for filming. I'm like, I should do that in this video. I've been sitting here. I've actually been reading here. And when I've been reading, I've been sitting, reading, and watching. We've had an uptick in the number of cars driving past. So I keep watching if it's Josh Kerr coming to... my boyfriend Josh Kerr coming to move me in and being like, all right, let's get started on the moving stuff. My dad has said yes, and my mom as well, to me moving in with him. However, my mom has been having memory problems, so I don't actually know quite how that interaction is gonna go. I heard him like, maybe he arrives right now, right? And then we text him. Then we take the parents there after. Here's what the bar looks like. Yeah, move this stuff, but especially if the house isn't, or a place or apartment or whatever isn't that far away. Okay, and my dad likes KitKat bars, and I like white chocolate, and I do like KitKat bars. I especially like white chocolate. So here we go. You can kind of see it's a wafer bar, wafer candy bar. Different. I call it white chocolate while some people call it cream, because for me cream is like a closer to a liquid consistency, so for me I call it white chocolate. Now I'm moving in with Josh Kerr, my boyfriend Josh Kerr. Maybe dad comes over every Sunday night or something, and we watch any and or all new Mark Wiens videos from the week with him. And he gets inspiration for his cooking stuff at church. He was cooking for a number of groups. So there, family time with him, or maybe sometimes he spends the night, and on his way back to his house, my mom and him live, and me currently. He stops at Green Lake Monday morning and does 2 loops on the outer circle. It is 6 miles. And he loses his weight that he wants to lose and gets his blood pressure down and stuff. And maybe if we want to take a break, or not a break, but we have other stuff to talk about, like maybe he has a consulting business, or he has taken some consulting jobs before. Maybe with all the problems Boeing is having, he worked at Boeing, the aerospace company, for over 40 years. Maybe they want his consulting and have like we'll give you $1 million if you consult on this. And he goes, but he wants to talk to us about it and stuff like that, if he can. And it's like he has all of that work experience, and then I have teaching experience for millennials and Generation Z in both university and non-university settings. So kind of, he's got I was born approximately in 1993, so he has like before me, I have me, and after me. going to provide some useful insights. This is good. It is different with the white chocolate than the standard milk chocolate KitKat. I will give it a 22 out of 10. That's upside down. White chocolate KitKat bar. It was good. And there's some more moving / work, right? Depending on what our work is, and my dad's work, scenarios. But Dad's like, but I'm retired, but like, yes, okay, more moving, and then life after the move with my living with my my boyfriend Josh Kerr scenario, mapping, planning, whatever, however one wants to phrase it. Anyway, happy day and time of viewing to you whenever you're viewing this, and place of viewing wherever you're viewing this from.